Hello. So good to meet at this daily motivational meeting, reading quotes from world scriptures. These quotes empower billions of people and will help you too today. Be reading the book from the beginning. Please find all the chapters at our channel, Message to Billions. And today we have another great topic: reversal and restoration. Salvation is sometimes pictured as a great reversal. It looks to the day when God will act to turn the existing social and political order upside down, when the wealthy and powerful will no longer tower above the honest and God-fearing. Internally, it brings the insight that the way to God is the reverse of the way of the world. And enlightened person recognizes that he should reverse his or her orientation 180 degrees. Scripture speaks of this inner reversal as dying to self in order to live, seeking this darkness in order to find the light, and abandoning the self in order to become prominent. These lead to the concept of salvation or as restoration. Restoration refers to the undoing of bad habits, modes of thinking, ways of behaving, and social relations that have grown corrupt and deviated from the proper way. It is the return to the origin, aimed at restoring the original way of life according to the true principles and purpose of God. An important expression of this theme of reversion to the origin is the Buddhist doctrine of dependent origination, palikasamuppada, which is not just a law of causality, but more properly the insight that all causes leading to downfall must be reversed. Father Moon discussed this topic at length under the teaching of restoration through indemnity. Indemnity, broadly speaking, means to restore mistake by taking the opposite course. It begins with the reversal of character from self-centered to other-centered. It extends to relationship and restitution for a crime, to making amends for a breach of trust. From that standpoint, that is my responsibility to restore harmony with my brother, even when the original problem was not my fault. It concludes with complete restoration, the reversal of the original sin that happened at the human fall, the great reversal. The last will be first, and the first last. Whoever exalts himself will be humbled, and whoever humbles himself will be exalted. Him who humbles himself, God exalts. With him who exalts himself, God humbles. From him who searches for greatness, greatness flies. Him who flies from greatness, greatness search out. With him who is importunate with the circumstances, circumstances is importunate by him who gives way to circumstances, circumstances that. The way of heaven, is it not like a scratch above? What is high up is present down. What is low down is lifted up. What is surplus is reduced. What is deficient is supplement. The way to heaven, it reduces those who have surpluses to supplement those who are deficient. The way of man is just not so. It reduces those who are deficient, and to offer to those who have surpluses, who can offer his surpluses to the world. only a person of tower. The bows of the might are broken, but the feebly give and steady. Those who have hired himself out for bread, but those who were hungry have ceased to hunger. The barren has borne seven, but he who has many children is forlorn. The Lord kill and bring to life. He bring down to shout and raise up. And the Lord make poor and they make rich. He bring low and he also exalt. He raised up the poor from the dust. He lifted the needy from the ash heap to make them sit with the princes and inherit the seat of honor. For the pillars of the earth are the Lord's, and on them he has set the world. He will guard the feet of his faithful ones, but the weakest shall be cut off in darkness, for not by might shall a man prevail. Father, let's read God from the second coming Messiah and Son Moon. The path of the providence of salvation is the path of restoration. The path of restoration is the path of recreation. And when God created the world, He had the only one concept, the concept of the 0 point. Hence, we have to return to the 0 point when walking the path of restoration and recreation God's world. We should return to the state prior to God's creation, otherwise nothing is possible. That is why the Bible teaches whoever seeks to gain his life will lose it, but whoever loses his life will preserve it. To lose your life means to cut off Satan's life by returning to the 0 point. Otherwise, we have no way to connect with God at the origin. Historically, evil people have lived better than good people. Originally, good people should prosper while evil people should decline. These positions should be switched. The 0 point is the time of transition when good people go up while evil people decline. Now is the time when this transition is taking place. In America, quite a few people live perverted lives. Grandfathers have sex with their granddaughters and fathers with their daughters even while they live with their wives. This is the fruit of Satan, who in the beginning reversed the direction of human life 180 degrees from the plan of God. In a world that abides by heaven's principle, could homosexuality exist? Lesbians, alcoholism, drug addiction, and such came to exist because human beings suffer from emotional misalignment. They suffer in this world, which is hell on earth. We, on the other hand, are living 180 degrees different from them, as we strive to live in God's kingdom. So powerful quotes for today. If you have difficulties today, please watch one more time video and let's live in God's kingdom right now, every day, every second. Subscribe, share this video as we are in this billion happy life subscribers marathon, and contact me for consultation, cooperation, become a member of this Heavenly Parents online Heavenly community, and contact to participate live at these events to get more powerful personal. Wish you a great blessed day. Stay happy, healthy, and don't forget to make more exercise in difficult time. All the best. Bye bye.